Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to sublimate our sublimatable tall enamel bowls. These enamel bowls do come with a lid. They come in 3 different sizes. We have 3 tall sizes and we have 3 of the shorter sizes. All right, the items you will be needing, we got the bowl, the transfer. These particular ones you can do either silicone wrap or shrink wrap. Today I'll be using the silicone wrap and then our heat tape. Let's get started. So first we're going to remove this lid, and then I'm going to get my transfer sheet, and then I'm just going to use a piece of heat tape on both sides, just one on one side. Make sure it's nice, smooth and tight, and then one more. All right, so like I said, today we're gonna be using the silicone wrap. You can use the shrink wrap, and just so you can see it kind of with the shrink wrap on there, this is one of our large shrink wraps, and this is kind of how it looks if you shrink wrap it all on there. But today I want to show you with our silicone wrap. So I'm gonna position the start of it kind of on the opposite side of where my artwork is, so that way I know where my artwork is. And I'm gonna hold it kind of tight, and I'm gonna stretch the silicone wrap so that way I can get it on there nice and tight. Stretch and roll, and stretch and roll. And keep going all the way. Keep really stretching it and holding it tight. And I'm actually gonna use 3 pieces going across. So that way, now when I'm ready for going into the oven, because only my artwork is on one side, and when that happens, you always want that pointing towards the fan. So since I started it here, I know my artwork is over here. So let's go to the oven. So again, my artwork is on this side. I'm gonna place that towards the fan. And we're gonna be doing these for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna remove it. Make sure you use a glove because it is very hot. And I'm just gonna remove my tape. And there you go. For more information about this product or any of our other products, call the number below or visit us online at jdsindustries.com. Thanks for watching.